This is the plaintiff, Lisa Ilyich. She claims the defendant intentionally sabotaged her one-of-a-kind for a ring dress by stepping on it, leaving it forever marked with the print of a filthy dollar store flip-flop. Lisa is suing the defendant for $1,002.47, the cost of the ring and the emotional distress she caused. This is the defendant, Gertrude Gerasium. She said that she feels absolutely terrible about what happened and that it was an accident. She offered to clean the dress with her bare hands, but the plaintiff would not hear any of it. Gertrude is accused of causing a fashion disaster.
Lisa Ilyich, you are suing Gertrude Gerasium.
Yes.
For $1,002.47, value of the dress and emotional distress caused by the defendant, Lisa. Tell me what happened.
Well, you see, Your Honor, you and I both know the pressures of high-class society. So when I was walking to my charity ball, Miss Gerasium, no disrespect, stepped on my one-of-a-kind Vera Wang gown with her filthy, no-named dollar store flip-flop. I was appalled at the sight of the shoe print that would forever mark my beautiful gown. This brought me to be emotionally distraught. I was traumatized. I could never show up to my ball and show my face looking so pedestrian. It would have seemed as if I was poor and could not afford a gown for my own charity ball. The poor children.
I completely understand where you're coming from. Living in a high-class society is tough enough because everything must meet the standards of propriety and decorum. So, could I see the dress? Ah, I see what you mean. Clearly you couldn't have attended the ball wearing this atrocity.
If I may speak, please, Judge.
Proceed.
I would like to inform you that this is not intentional, and I did offer to clean the dress with my bare hands, seeing as I can't afford it to get it professionally cleaned. It truly was an accident, and I'm deeply sorry for what occurred. I didn't mean for Miss Ilyich to miss her charity ball, and for that I express my sincerest apologies.
No, no, no. This is absolutely absurd. You and I, Judge Ilyich, both know that this peasant is not sincere in her apologies. This is a disaster. I tried to take this to federal court because this was fashion murder, but they denied my appeal and made me file a civil suit. Gertrude is a liar, murderer, and the cause of my psychological distress. She should be punished, and I demand that she pays me.
Psychological distress. Please explain this.
Well, simply put, my inability to attend my charity ball has caused me so much emotional distress. What is society saying about me not attending my own party? I have worked so hard to build up my reputation and to fit into society. And this little peasant girl and her stupid flip-flops may have ruined it all. All of my hard work gone down the drain.
I see. No one should have to suffer as you did. Gertrude, do you have anything else to say?
All I have to say is that I'm deeply sorry. It truly was an accident. I just was walking down the street and didn't see that her dress had such a long train in the back. I was looking at the store window and I just accidentally stepped on it. It wasn't intentional, and I did really try to make an amends.
So what you're saying is that you were careless and ruined this woman's gown, and all you did was apologize and offer to try and fix it?
Yes, Your Honor. That is all I could afford to do. I will not apologize for not being as rich as Mrs. Ilyich. I'm comfortable and happy with my lifestyle. I have people who love me despite my low economic status. I enjoy life and enjoy having these people in it.
Okay. I think I need a second to think about this.
You know that it's just an accident, and that in life, dresses are not the most important thing. Materialism, greed, and status will not make you happy in life. You know what the right decision is.
Yvonne. You know how society is. Don't be stupid and side with the peasant. How will society see you if you do? You know this decision is not about them. It's about you and your own reputation. Do what's best for you. Side with Lisa. You know it's what your social superiors would do.
God, I hate my life. Okay, I've made a decision. I'm fighting in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant will pay Miss Ilyich $1,002.47 for the damages caused to the gown and her emotional and societal demise. Case closed. So here comes the plaintiff. How does it feel to win the case and get just over $1 million?
Well, even though I won the case, money will never make up for the tragedy that has occurred. My gown was a one of a kind, and it can never be replaced. Forever and always, it will hold a special place in my heart. My clothes mean everything to me, along with all of my possessions. They are what bring me true happiness.
Thank you. Here comes the loser. How does it feel to lose the case, and what effect does this have on your poor, sad, poor life?
Well, I'm truly sorry for what happened. I never meant to step on her gown. It was an accident. I was hoping that maybe things would be fair now, but society is stuck in their ways and is more focused on what they have in life than actually living life. Well, I know that it didn't go in my favor, but I'm content with my life because I know I have family and friends who love and respect me. I know I'm living my life with purpose, and I truly have found happiness.
Well, there you have it. The princess won. All is right in the world. Thanks for watching. Good night.